Hi there, welcome to my channel here. So I want to show a little bit about my kayak racks that I made up here. Um so I bought these brackets from Home Depot. They're for framing, and I just put bolts through there. I put uh, this bar here, I put that on there. That's from Home Depot also. I think those bars are like 20 bucks. And then these brackets were like $3. And I put that on. I put Flex Seal on there to hold it. It was kind of easy because of that I took my interior out of my car. And if you see here, I put the bolts through their roof, and I made so I can miss my wiring. And back here I got the bolts through there. So overall it was kind of a fun project to do. So I got my kayaks on here this morning, planning on going fishing, going down to the river, see if we can catch some tilapia today. So I bought these other kayak racks from Walmart online, like $44. So overall I probably have like $60–70 in the kayak racks here. It's my old Toyota that I fixed up. In the back here you can see how it's set up, and it's the reason I put it on here is because it's super easy to load it and unload it. My kayaks, just to put it on yourself, it's really easy to put on and off. So hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you can do something like this too, or get some ideas.